Josiasa masanja mag ODM mabende ne olabdho gi juni ne manyo koma mar od bura e kar od bura ma Westlands e kaunti no ma Nairobi. Koro ywak miwuoro maendi bende biro mana tok ka duond bura mar ODM ne ochiwo tiko nyalodia ne migosi Tim Wanyonyi. Maendi bende bang' kane doho ne owito oko welo mabende ne otim kod duond bura noero mabende ne oyango ni mondo welo makamano ne nuo e bwo seche 72.
Noel Nyongesa, I was aspirant to be an MP here at Westlands constituency, but unfortunately election was cancelled, and I'm a person who abides to the law. We obey our party rules. ODM, we are still the ODM members. We respect the law, and also we support Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga as the 5th President of Republic of Kenya. The nomination started but was cancelled immediately. But on Friday, someone went to court, and that they called that election should be repeated within 78 hours. Now we are calling the ODM party to obey the court order and repeat the election. And we want free and fair election. We have already talked to our people that we are going to have election within 78 hours. And we are ready to support whoever who is going to win that election.
Tunasimama pamoja na rais yetu mtarajiwa Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, ambaye unajua he is the 5th upcoming president ya hii nchi yetu Kenya. So kitu ambaye tunasema hapa leo ni hivi, that we as aspirants of ODM in Westlands, we are ready for this election even now. We were ready for it yesterday, and we will be ready for it even again anytime they say. At this point in time, what we need to communicate to all the residents and those people interested in the elective politics in Westlands is that Westlands needs to be in safe hands. Westlands needs the confidence from leadership like that provided by our Baba,